Hello, welcome to Some Dude's Kitchen. I'm Some Dude, and today we are going to make some vegan, whole food, plant-based chili. So I do it in a crock pot. I think it's best. And you want kidney beans and black beans. You'll want to rinse both of those off before you put them in. Same with chickpeas and lentils. And then you'll want to wash and chop some vegetables. I got celery and some green onion. And then I used garlic, a can of either regular diced tomatoes or these, and just dump the whole can in, juice and all. Then you're going to need vegetable broth, salt, pepper. Let's see, what is that? Turmeric, chili powder, cumin, and paprika. So, yeah, I'm going to get everything ready and throw it in my crock pot. And after you get all that in, you'll just want to add hot water until everything is just barely covered. Or if you're using an already liquid broth that's been diluted, you would just pour that in instead. Alright, so I poured in about 2 cups, and I'm going to flatten it and mix it and see if it looks like it's going to need more. Alright, so you want it to look like this. See how it's just all barely covered there? Right, and then since I'm starting this so late in the day, I'm going to put this on high, and then we'll come check it in a few hours.